an eyeball, then it's
Then what? What? We'll have to get him a new one, okay?
Why does it want to drag itself backwards?
Because the rotor in back is pushing it down. There you go.
What did it say about the tail?
sharp.
Get.
Your easy-to-use guide to living and maintaining a healthy life. Feel like your physician isn't on your team? Find out if you're not getting the care you deserve with their list of 10 signs to dismiss your doctor.
Get.
Also on AOL Body, holiday diet displays.
Hey, quiet. 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 You're going to crate.
No, they're decorations. Decorations?
Quiet. No. Down.
Full throttle.
Down.
Full throttle.
You should be playing in the house.
That's the thing that really cheap. That's the thing that really close.
How does it not break?
Yeah.
It's made plastic. This is a precision aircraft.